Picked up a roadside assistance call here in Indianapolis for a flat tire on a Volkswagen Jetta, I think. They're actually on the highway, so I'm going to try to get a video of this. See how fast we can get in and out of a flat tire on a highway. All right, it's always the same thing with the tire change. It doesn't matter where you're at. The tools are close to the bag. You can see my truck, I got it parked right next to the prop. Tools, customer already had a spare tire out. Take the tire, fill it up. You're always low, you want to add air. Got a Milwaukee compressor. These take 60 pounds. This compressor has a programmable Volkswagen have these caps. They have a star shape on them. You don't need any special tool, just get in there with a screwdriver. Pop them up like that. A lot of times these Volkswagens will have a locking plug. This one does not. These are a 17 mil. It's nice to have a good impact on with doing these. Come over here, check this. It's pretty thrilling out here on the highway. You're probably going to get run over doing this, and it's not safe. There's no such thing as safety. You can have cones out, lights on, cops behind you, don't matter. If they don't see you, they're going to run you over. Fill that up. Get back on. Now you just gotta line them up. You gotta line the bolts up. There's no stud there. This can be tough under certain situations, but generally it's pretty easy. It's tougher when you're trying to put the stock wheel back on. You always want to start your lugs, studs, give them a few turns. Always hit them twice. Gently lower the jack. Switch over to the torque stick. Boom. Nice and easy. I always take care of my tools first. Jack back to the truck. Tool bag. Put this back. Now you worry about the tire. Can you pop the trunk? Now it's just a couple pictures and a signature. All right, in and out. I don't know, 5-6 minutes. I didn't keep a stopwatch going or anything like that, but no problem there. Fastest roadside guy alive. I'm out.